I'm Jennifer Brown, Family Consumer Science Agent with the North Carolina Cooperative Extension Service. And as we wrap up May, we want to remind you that May is Med Month, as in the Mediterranean diet. We have a 6-week program that we teach people med instead of meds, because we want you to eat healthier with the Mediterranean diet instead of just relying on your medicines to provide the supplements and the nutrients that you need. Therefore, I am going to prepare our Black Bean Salsa recipe that you can find on our website at medinsteadofmeds.com. So it requires some frozen corn. So I have a steam bag of frozen corn that I've already cooked. So I'm going to put that in there. Then it calls for a can of black beans to be rinsed. I try to buy the no salt added can if I can find it, just to reduce the amount of sodium in our dish. So get all of that out. Okay. And then you can either chop up 2 cups of tomatoes, or as well, if you have it on hand, a can of chopped tomatoes or diced. That's perfectly fine. Again, trying to get the no salt added variety, if at all possible. Look at all that beautiful color that we're already getting in our dish with the red and the black beans and the corn. Okay. Then we have a 1/2 cup of chopped Vidalia onion. Mix that in a little bit more. And then we are just going to put in the last 2 ingredients. So we have a 1/3 of a cup of apple cider vinegar and a 1/3 of a cup of olive oil. And we just recommend that you chill this until you are ready to serve. This is a very bright and colorful dish that you can prepare whether you're having a cookout or watching a sports game, or just enjoying it for a nice snack with your family. I typically serve some whole grain chips with these, so that way I'm getting my grain, I'm getting the vegetables with the corn and the onions, I'm getting some protein from the black beans, and I have the fruit, which the tomato is. You can even sprinkle a little cheese for dairy, and you have a wonderful My Plate. I know plenty of people that have actually even eaten this as an entree because it's so delicious. So this is just one of our recipes that we have on our website, medinsteadofmeds.com. Check out the website for a lot of delicious recipes, and don't forget to go med. This has been Jennifer Brown, Family Consumer Science Agent with the North Carolina Cooperative Extension Service. Thanks for tuning in.